Why can't I share my screen on FaceTime? iOS 15:16? Well, go through this detailed guide to know the possible causes and solutions that have been proven by many folks. Part 2. How to use FaceTime for screen sharing. Run FaceTime on your iPhone and click Create Link to establish a FaceTime link. Press the I button and tap Share Link. Text or email your pals the meeting link and start FaceTime. Press New FaceTime, input your pals' names, and hit FaceTime to initiate a video call. During FaceTime, you can press Screen Share in the incoming controls panel. Click Share My Screen, and after a countdown, the screen sharing begins. Lastly, choose the app you want to share on FaceTime. Part 3. Why can't I share my screen on FaceTime? You save a contact name along with an emoji. FaceTime SharePlay might not be supported in your country. Poor internet, service, or signal issues. Your iPhone doesn't give permission to FaceTime. There's something wrong with the network settings. Part 4. Fix iOS 15 FaceTime screen share not working with 10 tricks. Trick 1. Reset network settings. Go to your iPhone settings, General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings to reset your network settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. Trick 2. Change display resolution. On your Mac, select System Preferences, Displays. If you selected the scaled option, just go for a lower display resolution. The text seems to be bigger, and your Mac should switch to a lower display resolution. Trick 3. Give FaceTime permissions. Tap the Apple icon and choose System Preferences, Security and Privacy. Click Privacy Screen Recording from the left column. Select the lock icon at the bottom. Choose the plus icon to open the applications, and pick FaceTime. Trick 4. Use the correct version of iOS. Navigate to your iPhone Settings app, General. Go for Software Update, followed by Download and Install. Tap Install to update your device if there's an update available. Trick 5. Enable SharePlay. Head to your iPhone settings and scroll down to find FaceTime. Click the FaceTime option and tap "SharePlay." Be sure to turn on SharePlay and try using FaceTime again. Trick 6. Re-enable FaceTime on Mac. Trick 7. Sign out of FaceTime and sign back in. Trick 8. Remove emojis from FaceTime screen. Trick 9. Check Apple system status. Trick 10. Force restart iPhone.